Hello everyone, I'm back with yet another session of CAMP. Today we are going to discuss database in Excel. This is one of the most important topic, and this is one of the most important point which makes Excel very powerful. We all know that Excel is an analysis software, but very few people know that the Excel is also a database software. The earlier version of Excel was known as 123. Before Excel, we had a software available in the market used by manager and executives, which is known as 123. The name of the software itself was 123 by Lotus Corporation. And what does 1, 2 and 3 stands for? These are the tasks. 1 stands for analysis work, 2 stands for database work, and 3 stands for graphical work, business graphics, graphical work. See, Lotus 123 was serving 3 purposes to the manager and executives. The first one, analytical work, means the data extracted from the database of the company and applying the formulas and functions to come to the conclusion to know the actual situation of the business. The Excel provides you a lot of formula functions, a lot of tools which helps the manager to intensively study the data and come to the conclusion, come to the information. That information helps the manager to take a correct decision for the welfare of the organization. This is what analysis means. And Excel also provides the facility to perform the database work. It means when you open Excel, you find the sheet itself is divided into rows and columns. So some managers, some executives were using the Excel sheet as a database, a temporary database where they can store their business data in the form of records. So this topic is very important, and very few people put a lot of focus on this study in Excel or Lotus. And graphics? Graphics means business graphics. The Lotus 123 was also providing the facility to the manager and executives to generate, to design the different types of charts, graph. We know, for example, pie chart, line graph, bar graph, and all. Now, when Microsoft introduced MS Office was a package which has a very famous application software known as Excel. Excel replaced Lotus 123 from the market and became very famous because of its graphical interface. But the purpose of the software was same. Lotus was providing 1, 2, 3 facility. Excel was also providing all these 3 facilities. Most of we people use Excel for analytical work, but we must know that Excel also provides the facility to use this software as a database software. And business graphics is also very famous, and we do often. Now, we need to understand what is database. The person from the computer background, the students of BCA, MCA, they study the database in very detail and understand. But as a student of management, we hardly find the topic discussed by the teacher in the classroom. What is database about? We need to understand. The database topic is very useful not only for the computer students, rather the students of the management also. What do you mean by database? To understand database, first of all we need to understand if you want to get the crystal clear idea about the database, first of all, we need to understand the three style of writing developed by Heyman. The first style of writing developed by Heyman after learning speaking. After they learn how to speak, I'm talking about the evolution of human civilization. After they came to develop the language of speaking, then they started learning how to write. After they have developed the language, the alphabets to write, now they started developing the style of writing. The first style of writing is known as descriptive style of writing. It means what you want to express, what you want to write, you write in very detail. And the example of descriptive writing is letter writing, application writing, paragraph writing, story writing, newspapers are the example. But when industrialization took place, the business transactions were happening, and the management people, the person doing the business, realized to store the data generated from the business transaction. If you want to store the data generated from the business transaction in the form on the paper, the descriptive writing was the only mechanism we had during those days, which was very difficult. Because suppose a shopkeeper sold 5 copy, 2 pen and one register, how they will keep this the data on the paper? Will he describe, today I sold 5 copy, 2 register and 2 pen to Mr. ABC? So descriptive writing was not suitable to store data generated from the business transaction. So a new style of writing developed, which was known as tabular writing. Now, what happens in the case of tabular writing? See, in the case of descriptive writing, we have a set of rules. We cannot say I eats. We cannot say he go, he eat. We have a rule. He eats is a correct, I eat is a correct. Who says that this is correct and this is not correct? The grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is a set of rules which suggests us that how to write what? This database writing, tabular writing, no. How to write in descriptive form. Now, when you talk about tabular, a set of rule, a grammar of tabular writing also came in picture, which is known as database. What is database? Database is a set of rules that suggest the business managers and executives that how to store the business transaction in tabular form. If we have one department, for that department all the transaction has to be stored in one file which is known as database file. That database file must be divided into, on the basis of subject, it should be divided. And for every subject there will be a separate register, and that register will be known as table. And every table should be divided into a suitable fields, columns, which is known as field. And if any transaction takes place, you need to write one row which is known as record. This is not a joke. This is not as simple that we can discuss in 5 minutes that what is database. We need at least 2 to 3 months to read all the set of rules about the database. So, as a business manager, as a business executive, as a student of BBA and MBA, you don't need to explore all the set of rules of the database. This is not your department. The student from the BC and MCA will become a database manager and advise a database structure for any company. But for you, you need to understand that in any organization, we can use Excel as a database. You should know at least we have another style of writing apart from the descriptive writing, which is known as tabular writing. For tabular writing, we are not free that we can create any number of tables, we can create any number of columns. There are a set of rules which guides the database managers that for any organization, how many tables are needed, how many columns are needed. You take an example of a bank like SBI Bank. Designing the database tables of SBI Bank is not a joke. We need very expert database manager. And among the tables, there are the relationships. Among the relationships, we need to generate various reports. Some data will come from one report, some data will come from another table, and according to the requirement of the business, the database should generate the report periodically. And that report gives sufficient information to the business managers to take the correct decision for the welfare of the company. So, at least as a student of management, you should know that there is a set of rules, that is a grammar of designing database. You're not free enough to design your own table. Take another example of railway. Managing all the trains and booking the tickets are not joke. A simple, perfect design of the database will assure the smooth running of the train and ticket booking and money collecting, everything. Now, the third style of writing is also available, and which is known as graphics. Graphics. A graph represents thousands of the words. It means that one thing which you need, which you have to express, and you need thousands of the words. Instead of those words, you can just put one graph. Take an example of a one-day cricket match, 50-50 match. Australia batted 50 overs, and this is the 45th over. A bowler started cleaning the ball, and during that period of one graph comes on your screen explaining the analytical information, the grand total information of whole day. And after going through it, you can come to know that how Australia reached to that score and how India is following, and when we can follow. So what is this? This is a third style of writing, which is known as graphical. There are two types of graphical writing. First is known as non-mathematical, and the second one is known as mathematical. This is mathematical. The mathematical graphs are based on a numerical data. This is very perfect. That must be drawn on the graph paper. The size will matter. But non-mathematical graph, you can take one example, like when you're driving a car, all of a sudden you saw a board on the highway, the skeleton and the bone. A board is there. What thing strikes on your mind? Danger. Instead of writing the text, the picture is there. This is non-mathematical style of writing. The whole Indian traffic system, not only Indian, the whole traffic system in the world is based on non-mathematical graphical style. A fool, people can analyze that there is a graveyard. I mean, there must be a graveyard. A fool, people can also analyze, can understand there is a non-veg restaurant. But a person equipped with a common sense will understand that it is a sign of danger. In the same manner, the whole traffic system is based on non-mathematical graphical style. So, dear participants, rarely you will find these things in your textbooks, that 3 writing styles being developed in this world. The first one is descriptive writing, and for all 3 styles of writing there is a set of rule which is known as grammar. We learn grammar to write correctly. In the same manner, if you want to design the database for the organization, you need to understand, you need to learn complete rules of the database. There are thick books available in the market explaining the rules of the database. There is a very famous book of Vipin S. Desai, perhaps more than 650 pages. Go through complete books. Not a single computer command will turn up. No Oracle, no SQL, nothing is there. What is there? In 630 pages, rules, grammars of database. That will equip you to design a correct database for any organization. In the same manner, in graphics, we have non-mathematical and mathematical. In mathematical, we need an intensive study. What we do usually, we open Excel, we put any numerical data, we select the data, we put on graph, any graph comes before you. It is suitable for you or not? It is suitable for that situation or not? It is a subject of a study. Like we have pie chart. Pie chart is designed in a place where subject has only one data. Like we have state and population. The state is the subject. Bihar, UP, MP, Delhi, and this is the population. The subject has only one data. This situation is suitable for pie chart. You select bar chart will turn up. Line chart, any line chart will come, but that is not perfect for that situation, so we need to study the design of mathematical graphics for your business. In a very famous term we use, business graphics. It's a buzzword in the market. Business graphics are always are mathematical, and we need to learn every graphic, its purpose and the suitable situation where we can design this. Now, when we talk about database in Excel, you open Excel, you need to design a database, and we all know that the database is an organized collection of tables. So it is your homework that for any particular situation, like take an example of a student database. A student database. What do you do? Open Excel, start with one table. In the next session, we will learn some tools available in Excel for your database, and this is the homework for you. For a student database, like admission table, right? Roll, student name, course, city, date of birth, age. For a student database, this is one situation, this is one table. The student database will have many tables. We will learn in the upcoming sessions. And put at least 50 records, and we will see you in the next class with data sorting and other tools provided by the Excel. Thanks for joining the session. Take care. Bye-bye.